Hi, it's Anna from Weekdone, and in this series, we're answering your questions about OKR best practices. Today's question is, why is it so hard to write key results? Very often, the problem of writing key results or the problem of writing good key results lies not in the KRs themselves, but rather in how you've written your objectives. Writing key results without knowing which problem you're solving is going to be a very painful activity. So spend more time discussing what kind of opportunities you should be pursuing or what kind of problem is blocking your team right now. What needs to be resolved for you to move faster? This is why we recommend following a very simple structure to write your objectives. You need to have a specific focus area. So, what needs to improve, what needs to change. That's the first part of your objective. And the second part is why it matters. We want to drive this change. Why? To solve this problem. For example, we want to improve messaging in all channels. Why? To target bigger clients. Another example could be improve the way we nurture relationships with our clients at an early stage. Why? To ensure long-term collaboration or to ensure higher customer lifetime value, something like this. So you have what needs to change and why this is important. It's worth spending time to figure out what exact problem you're trying to solve and impact this quarter to make sure that your KRs are actually focused on something that needs to change. And it's much better to measure something once you know what exactly you're trying to achieve. I hope this helps, and I know there are a lot more questions about KRs out there, so please post your questions about your team in the comments below, and we will make sure to create a video to answer your questions about OKR best practices.